One of the biggest mistakes that people make when they're investing money is they just look at past performance. Sure, that can be an indication of trends and what's happening in the market, but don't think that 2025 automatically is going to be repeated in 2026. If you just invested in stock that were linked to AI in 2025, you would have made money. But when you come to 26, yes, AI is going to continue to grow, but think about these factors if you want your money to grow and you want to invest in the right areas. First of all, look and see which companies are really going to make a profit. Already you're seeing this as a trend where people are looking at it and saying, okay, who's spending the money, but are they really going to turn that actually into a profit? You want to invest wisely, look out for that. Second thing to look out for is there's a battle out there, of course, for chips. Right now, Nvidia, that's winning. It's got a 75% margin. It's absolutely incredible. It could continue, but don't take it for granted. In other words, is there a better way? Is there another way of creating AI that's less expensive? For example, you see what Alphabet and Google are doing with Gemini. Okay, that's using chips that they're producing themselves. There's going to be a chip war. And if you're investing, be aware of it. You may want to avoid that particular market. Why? Because it's a little one who can predict who's going to win the war. Last thing to remember for me, what's the limiters when it comes to AI and the growth? Everybody, of course, is more and more using AI, and the better it becomes, the more uses it has. But just think, one of the limiters, and it's not the only one, is energy. Okay, which companies are going to gain in the energy sector? Okay, right now you'll see there are chips. Okay, there are companies already starting to make profits. There are more companies that are going to emerge. Okay, what's going to be the limiter? Okay, well, of course, we've got data and storage, but big one right now is not just that storage, but also energy. Okay, there's going to be companies that are going to be super profitable. I'll talk about it on this video channel, but it's one of the things to be aware of for 2026. For you, which of those investments are you going to take advantage of? Leave a comment below and tell us what things that you think are going to make money in 2026.